Good morning, everyone. Uh, US markets were up 1% yesterday. The S&P 500 closed positively for the eighth consecutive session yesterday. And in Asia, except for Hang Seng and Shanghai, all other indices are around 0.5% up. They are driven by expectation that Federal Reserve could offer further hints of rate cuts, which are due in coming weeks. Now, all are waiting for Wednesday's release of the Fed's July meeting minutes, as well as for Chairman Jerome Powell's speech at Jackson Hole on Friday for further clues on outlook for US rates. Also, risk appetite has increased by the news that Israeli Prime Minister had accepted a bridging proposal presented by US to tackle disagreements regarding blocking of ceasefire deal with Gaza. So if that happens, then that will, uh, not only increase the risk appetite, but also, put a lid on the crude oil prices, and that will be range bound with a downward bias. Uh, I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Yes, thank you, Jihan. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open on a positive note, and we're likely to witness some range-bound trading session during the day. On the technical front, yesterday we have seen a very flattish or range-bound trading session. Nifty managed to consolidate within the range of 24,520 to 24,600 levels, but somehow it closed above 24,570 levels, which gives some sort of a relief side. Going ahead, 24,650 is the crucial resistance level. If it surpasses that level, then more upside can be seen towards 24,730 to 24,800. On the low side, as of now, 24,500 will act as a crucial support level. Any move below that level will attract a profit booking, which might take a Nifty towards 24,430 levels. Coming towards the bank nifty for today intraday purpose, 50,740 and 51,000 are the resistance level we need to keep eye on it. Whereas the support is placed at around 50,340 and 50,000. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 23,080, 23,200 are the resistance level, whereas the support is placed at 22,870, 22,800. That's it from my end. I request Niro to take a call for it.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we have seen that in yesterday's session, the momentum on the Nifty front was completely on the flattish note, as we are seeing that at a 24,600 strike in yesterday's session, called it a position have got added up strongly, while the Nifty has created a range right now from 24,400 to 24,600 level. Once if in Nifty's next 1 to 2 days of trading session managed to give closing about 24,600 level, then we will again witness a fresh buying opportunity of almost around 200 to 250 points on the upper end. So hold a long position with the support of 24,400 level as PCR yesterday closed at 1.17 level. PCR came down by 0.14 basis points from 1.31 to 1.17 level, but still PCR is holding strongly above the supportive zone of 1.08. And India VIX has also got to settle down at the 14.32 level. So currently market seems to be on the range bound to positive front. Only the major part is at the resistance zone, which is for 24,600 level. Once it gets a clearance of that level on the closing basis, then we will again witness the stability from the index front also to witness further towards the 24,800 to 25,000 mark. While on the stock specific front, counter that looks positive in today's session will be Shriram Finance. Aarti Industries and PL looks positive, while on the negative front, IndusInd Bank and HDFC AMC looks negative in today's session. So that's it from relative front. Thank you.
On IndusInd Bank, there is news that RBI has granted approval to establish an asset management business. So that will be formed in a separate subsidiary and mostly for mutual funds. So this will be positive for IndusInd Bank. On Zomato, Antfin Singapore Holdings will be selling 1.5% stake in a block deal valued at $408 million. Shares will be sold at a floor price of 251.68 per share against yesterday's close of around 262. So around a 4% kind of discount from yesterday's close. And if we see, Antfin has been paring its stake in Zomato, and currently it is holding around 4.3% stake, which will further go down by 1.5%. So temporarily negative for Zomato for a couple of days. Thank you.
Good morning. Yesterday, Vishnu Chemicals announced 100% equity acquisition of Jain Sri Pharma Private Limited. This is at an enterprise value of rupees around 52 crore. With this acquisition, company's fixed assets will increase by around 80 crore. With this, also in this strategy, the company plans to commission the production of an inorganic chemical, strontium carbonate, at this unit, and it expects to start the business at the earliest. So this is positive for the company. Thank you.
Commodities team can take over.
Yeah, thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we are expecting some profit taking in commodities. Gold is expected to test 71 to 50, whereby one can initiate a buy and maintaining a stop loss of 71,000. On upside, we are witnessing 71,700 as a resistance area. So profit booking around 71,600 is recommended. However, if prices sustain above 71,700, then we might witness prices testing 72,000 on the upside. Silver, one can buy around 63,800, maintaining a stop loss of 83,000. And on upside, 84,700, 85,000 is the level where one can book profits. Whereas copper, prices have rallied and some profit taking might test copper till 801 800 levels, whereby one can initiate with a stop loss of 795. On upside, 810 seems to be the immediate resistance area. If prices breaches and closes above that, then we might see further rally in prices. Zinc, one can buy around 262 with a stop loss of 260. And on upside, 264, 265 profit taking is expected. One can also sell around 265, maintaining a strict stop loss of 267. Yesterday, we witnessed crude oil prices correcting till 62.50. So this might correct further till 6200, 6170. So selling on rise around 63.30 is recommended with a stop loss of 6400. And on downside, 62 to 6170 is expected. For a pullback, one can buy strictly maintaining a stop loss of 6130. So, and in natural gas, we had witnessed actually we are witnessing a sideways movement from 175 to 190. However, one can buy around 184 with a stop loss of 177. And if prices are sustaining above 190, then we might see fresh buying till 202 levels. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.